Bintang Hailey Kirsten N.
Okay, ready? Look here. 1, 2.
Capable completer with honors. Tano RG Nathan G.
Okay, ready po. Look here. 1, 2, smile. One more.
Active Kid with honors. Villanueva Francesca Dream M.
Sa inyo daw yan, Te Olga. Tama kayo, ma'am. Okay, ready? Look here. 1, 2, smile.
Energetic learner with honors. Baon Lu Riley L.
Sino? Blue? Blue name niya? Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Active Kid with honors. Manaytay Risa Gem A.
Nasa bag mo, nasa bag. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Happy Helper, Respectful Kid with honors. Gerardo Apollo Gray M.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, smile.
Happy Helper, Excellence in the Performing Arts with honors. Perez Kurail Erin Grants L.
Okay, ready? Smile. 1, 2.
Flexible Ranger, excellence in arts and crafts with honors. Lakua Lucas B.
Sino sila? Yung B o ano? Kinder. Kinder. Okay, ready po. Look here. Watch it.
Generous kid, eager learner, excellence in numeracy with honors. Lucido Yuri L.
Okay, ready po. Look here. Watch it. Smile.
Excellence and numeracy, participative pupil, excellence in comprehension with honors. Kalianta Chet Rayleigh A.
Okay, ready po. Watch it. Smile.
Participative pupil, excellence in linguistics, best in reading, best in math with honors. Ang libot, Bastian G. Iris V.
Okay, ready po. One, two, look here. Watch it. Smile.
Generous kid, independent worker, excellence in numeracy, best in language, best in science with high honors. Lucido Athena Ishi A.
Okay, ready po. Ready. Watch it. Smile. One more.
From grade 6, happy helper, capable completer, participative pupil, independent worker, Morales Tricia Erica M.
Ay, one more.
Independent worker, excellence in the performing arts, excellence in linguistics with honors. Santos Lara Jade G.
Okay, ready po, look here. Ready, 1, 2, smile. One more. Ready, 1, 2.
Responsible Ranger, Discipline Kid, School Loyalty Awardee, Excellence in Linguistics with honors. Delara John Paul Clever P.
Okay. Ready po, look at the camera. Ready, 1, 2, smile. One more. 1, 2.
Independent Worker, Respectful Kid, School Loyalty Awardee, Excellence in Arts and Crafts, Excellence in Linguistics with honors. Yuarata Raiden B.
Okay, ready po. Ready, 1, 2, smile.
Independent Worker, Constant in Attendance, School Loyalty Awardee, Excellence in Linguistics, Excellence in the Performing Arts, Excellence in Arts and Crafts, Excellence in Comprehension with high honors. Salungan Jaslyn L.
Okay, ready po, look here. 1, 2, smile. One more po. Closer po. 1, 2, smile.
Independent Worker, Respectful Kid, Discipline Kid, Constant in Attendance, Excellence in Comprehension, Best in Math, Best in Filipino, with high honors. Gomez Nash E.
Okay, ready po. Ready po, ready po. Look here. Okay, 1, 2, smile. One more. 1, 2.
Respectful Kid, Generous Kid, Constant in Attendance, School Loyalty Awardee, Excellence in Arts and Crafts, Excellence in the Performing Arts, Excellence in Comprehension, Best in Araling Panlipunan, Best in English, Best in Science, with high honors. Rosaria Miesha Marie N.
closer. Okay, ready? Ready po. 1, 2, smile. One more. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Dami, no? Sagutin mo na rin. Ate, babalik ka na ng Australia. Bye-bye. Ate, huwag malikot.
Congratulations, everyone.